Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this unboxing of the new HPI Venture 18. Now, it's been a long time since we've seen HPI release anything, and I am really excited about this Venture 18. So the new Venture 18 comes in 4 different flavors, actually 2 different colors with 2 different setups. So it comes in either black or red, and it comes with a brush setup or a brushless setup. Here today I have the black Flux version, which is the brushless setup, which I believe uses a brushless system made by FureTech. One of the nicest things about this release is that it has a scaled Toyota Hilux SR5 body. I'm really into the scale looks of rigs. I don't really like rigs that just don't look anything like a real truck at all. But this one is a really nice release. Really dig the body on this one. It does come with metal spool diff gears. It's got a C-channel chassis rail. It's also got a full metal gear 2-speed transmission, and it's got oil-filled shocks. So definitely nice and feature-rich out of the box. Take a look at the top here. We can see the chassis. So like I mentioned before, it comes with a brush setup and a brushless setup. Now the brushed version comes with a 50-turn 180 size can motor, and the brushless system comes with a Venom 1212 3450 kilovolt Outrunner brushless motor. So this is a licensed release, so it does have a Toyota license. And it does come with a battery and charger. It is also a 1/18 scale rig. And we are ready to go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Alright. So, you've got your charger right here and a FureTech control card. So that pretty much explains or tells us who the brushless system is from. And with this FureTech programming card, that's your answer right there. Look down here where you've got the radio. Alright, this is the radio that comes with the Venture 18. It looks like it's a 6-channel radio. You've got channel 5 right here. Channel 6, which is a 3-position switch. Channel 5 is, looks like it could be a 3-position knob as well. Channel 4 is just a button. Channel 3 is also just a button. And then your channel 1 and 2 right here, which is throttle and steering. There's a USB-C port here, but I'm not sure what it's for. I wonder if you could charge the batteries. If not, there must be something where you hook this up to do something. And your steering trim and throttle trim, steering reverse, throttle reverse. The 3rd and 4th dip switch looks like it's set for drag brake, and the 5th and 6th dip switch looks like it has something to do with channel 4 and 5. So not really sure what those are, but we'll have to look it up in the manual. Alright. Power buttons here on the back. So it's a nice comfortable radio. Not bad. Alright. Let's take a look at this in detail. It looked like a hard shell body, but it's actually Lexan. But it is a pretty thick Lexan feels like. So it is not a hard plastic body. It is Lexan, but these are plastic. That's nice scale details right here. The emblem is also plastic. The Toyota is a sticker. Nice bumpers. Let's take a look at these axles. So this is a straight axle setup. It is not a portal rig. It is a servo and axle rig as well. Most of the micro crawlers are that way. Let's take a look at the rear axle. Alright, so the body mount system, let's see, how does this one work? So it's similar to the Red Cat setup, where the Red Cat one is in the rear, this HPI one is in the front. Flip this right there, and it comes through, and it does hinge in the rear like that. So it is not hard plastic, but it is a very pretty thick Lexan. Alright, looking at the chassis, you can see here the shift servo for the 2-speed transmission. Here is the outrunner. And then you've got the receiver right here. And this one, not sure what it is, but it looks like it controls all the lights. So this looks like a lighting controller. It's got reverse, brake, headlights, fog lights, signal left and signal right. So this is a light controller. Here you've got your ESC. So ESC, light controller, and receiver. And it's already pre-wired. All the lighting is pre-wired. The battery sits here. It comes with a 600 milliamp 2-cell LiPo. So really cool stuff. Does not come with batteries for the radio, so you do need to provide that. Here's a look at the front grille and lenses. So really cool release. Really dig it. Alright, I'm just going to power it up a little bit just to show you the different light modes and the speed of, or the low speed of the FuryTech system. Let's take a little drive first. Here is the low speed of the FuryTech system in this Venture 18. This is a barometer of its movement. So you can see that it's got the very nice AM32 based outrunner low speed control. And let's take a look at the lights. So the first mode is with the headlights and taillights off, but it does have brake lights. So to get the brake lights to come on, you have to drive forward first and then press reverse, which is kind of odd. Like, it should just come on when you let off the throttle. but you have to actually press reverse for that brake light to come on. Alright, so that's mode 0. Mode 1 is with the headlights on and with the taillights on. And that's all it is. Same thing with the brake light. You gotta drive first and then tap reverse. Otherwise, it doesn't really come on. Mode 2, basically the same thing as mode 1, except it has turn signals. So right there, there, alright. Mode 3 just makes the headlights brighter, but it turns off the turn signal functionality. But that's all it does. It makes the headlights brighter. Mode 4. Actually, not sure what it does. So, mode 4 is supposed to turn on fog lights, but there is no wiring for the fog lights. I'm assuming it's these. So, they do not turn on. I'm wondering if you were to wire them up, if they would turn on for mode 4. And lastly, mode 5 is just the hazard lights blinking. So that's the lighting setup for this Venture 18. That's all toggled with channel 3. The 2-speed is toggled with channel 6 right here. So you get the low speed. And then the faster speed. Alright, so having looked at the chassis, that is about it. Here are the oil-filled shocks. Look really nice. They feel really nice as well. But that's about it. I'm not going to be able to run it today. I will run it in a future video. But that's about it for this unboxing, where we just take a look at what is included in this package. Now, this is a little difficult to put on, isn't it? But really excited for this release. Really excited to see HPI get back into the game with the micro crawlers. Can't wait to get this out on the trails. Oh, before I go, let's take a look at the size comparison between this rig and the other new rig, which is the Ascent 18 Scout 2. You can see they're pretty much almost the same size. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the introduction to this HPI Venture 18 Toyota Hilux SR5. Really excited about this release. Can't wait to get it out on the trails. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this HPI Venture 18. Thanks for watching.